Smaku, capital M, the Magician. So today I will show you a simple trick. So we will need a rubber band for today's trick. So and we will place this rubber band between these two poles like this. And another thing we need is a ring. So we will use my ring. So this is not a magic ring, this is a normal ring. So you can see me wearing this one in my previous video, so I can assure you of that. So what we will do is to put this ring inside this rubber band like this. So at this state, so at this condition, so you cannot take this ring unless we leave the rubber band in this pole or in this pole, right? So but what I'm going to do is to take this ring without lifting the rubber band in either poles. So how is it possible? So if you think you can do this, you can try this at your home. So watch carefully. So it will happen in a matter of 2 or 3 seconds. So okay, just watch and learn. Okay, I took the ring without lifting the rubber band in either poles, without breaking the rubber band. So thank you for watching.